Yo. Oh shit, hold on. Yeah. My viewers, my subscribers, my dishes. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing okay. This is obviously another night vlog in a sense. I'm walking home. Work's already done. I walked into work today. This is Friday's vlog, by the way. I walked into work and there was really nothing. Like, there was no dishes laying around. It seemed like somebody washed the dishes in the morning or helped me. But for that person, or as for that person that helped me, Mario, thank you so much. You guys, my viewers, don't know who Mario is, but Mario is a new dishwasher that I not really trained. Like I tell you guys constantly, I don't really train anybody. If there's a new dishwasher and they're working with me, I'm not training them. I'm just really telling them or answering their questions that they have. Yeah, simple as that. But he kicked ass. Me and him fucking conquered that dish pit and this restaurant. Today, Friday, that is. It was pretty nice. Today was also his first day, so it's okay. As for his first day, shit, I think he really did a good job, in my opinion. That's just me, though. Patrick, the prep guy, he was busting the tables. All those tables. It was a good Friday. It honestly wasn't that busy. I thought it was gonna be... God, what the fuck is the point of having a big truck that sounds like a huge fucking 18-wheeler? That's, like, obnoxious and really dumb, in my opinion. Like, yeah, I can get a big truck like that. Would be good for winter or something, but I don't know. I just wouldn't be able to, like, be around that, like, noise, all the noise that the vehicle makes. But as of every Friday, pretty much every Friday I do work every Friday, that's for damn sure. They're really fucking busy. Like, not really busy, but busy to the point where I could get a little stressed out or get overwhelmed. Today wasn't that day, though. Today was great. Me and Mario were kicking ass. We went back and forth getting the kitchen's dishes. Yep, there was not a single moment where... Oh, God. I feel like I got a burp come on or something. There was not a single moment where they didn't call for silverware or ramekins. So that shows that me and Mario were kicking ass and doing our job correctly. As for tomorrow, Saturday, I close again from 5 to 3 a.m., 2 a.m., whatever time I get finished. Right now, I'm walking home, and it's currently 3:07. Like this video, guys. Dislike this video. Comment below. Subscribe. Share. Yeah, you guys do not see a restaurant's dishwasher. I guess for my regular viewers, my new viewers, you guys don't see a restaurant's dishwasher. I try to upload a video every day, telling you guys what consisted of my days and how it went. But it was very slow. It wasn't really busy, but fuck, there was a good amount of big tables, like big parties. I'd say like 8 to 15 people at most. I think the most we had was 17 people. That was the most we had in a group. But to have Amy working, doing the pizza line. Colton just cutting the pizzas, and Ron literally doing the salads. Wait, switch that, hold on. Ron was cutting the pizzas and putting everything on the plates, as Colton, he was doing the salads and making salads and putting whatever, like the fryer food items that need to go in the fryers. Yeah, he placed those food items on a plate for our customers. Anyway, with those parties, just having those 3 people plus the manager like calling, it was really unfortunate because I was just seeing them all work constantly. Like, me and Mario were literally just chilling, and we were not really doing anything because our dishes were already done. We were good. We weren't backed up on literally anything. But as soon as Mario left, it was like around 9 o'clock, a couple more parties still showed up. So, not that made us get more busy, but it still got me steadily busy. I was just washing shit continuously. I'm tired. My back hurts. I'm literally almost home. I could see the 7-Eleven that I live by. I don't think I'm going to end this vlog with a dab. I might. I don't know. I know I'm exhausted. What else can I say? I paid rent. Yeah. Yesterday, after I ended yesterday's vlog, I got a notification on my phone saying that my paycheck came on my pay card from my job, and I got just the amount, the perfect amount for my rent. So I'm happy. The month of June is paid off. Oh, that was my skateboard. It hit the pole. But yeah, June's paid off. Christina. I'm gonna miss her. I don't know if you guys remember, there was a female that roomed with my mom. Yeah. Her name was Christina. She was a good female. She was a good friend. She still is a good person. But she moved out. She, had somewhere else to be. I don't know. Things happen. But now, my homegirl Faith, she's not necessarily staying with us. But, like I said in yesterday's vlog, we're letting her chill and stay because we don't want people or humans that we know to sleep out in the street. I'm pretty cold. Anyway, I'll see you guys once I get inside. Yeah. Yeah. I am back at my apartment, of course.
Morning, Bob.
Hi, Mom.
Did you just get home?
Yeah.
Oh, so.
What are you doing?
I'm just waking up.
Did I wake you up?
No,
I did, huh? I woke you up.
I didn't.
I woke my mom up.
I had to pee. doing your dabs?
Mm-hmm. I only got like 1 gram left.
Yeah. That's all it is, ain't it?
What?
A gram?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get my text? Oh, I owe you $10. And you got only $16 on your card.
Yeah, it's fine.
But there was like $9 in change.
But you gave... What's the new manager's name?
Oh, her name's Jasmine.
Did you give her the money order?
No.
When are you gonna do it, Monday?
Dad has it. He was saying when it, because he thought I would lose it. You go, well, if you lose it, you're getting us back our money. He's like, no, I won't lose it. How was work today? Good? Right on. What time is it?
4:26.
Oh, God. You better work tomorrow night, too.
Yep, about 5.
Monday, are you going to get your ID?
Maybe.
You should some.
Well, it's another day, another dollar. You guys just seen me take another dab. I'm dabbing Dishwasher. Like this video, dislike this video, comment below, subscribe, and share.